Hello and welcome to Elephant English Podcast. In today's video, we're going to be talking about New Year's resolutions. First, I'm going to be asking my mum some questions about them, and then I'm going to be telling her some ideas for New Year's resolutions that she can make, and she's going to be saying if they're a good idea or not. So, the first question is, why do you think that people make New Year's resolutions?
I think that a lot of people have had free time over the Christmas holidays to reflect on their lifestyle and their life, and they decide that the new year is a good time to start again and to reset their lifestyle.
What are New Year's resolutions that people normally make?
I think that most New Year's resolutions are about having a healthy diet or exercising more. Not too much of a change, but enough of a change to make a difference in their life.
Do you normally make New Year's resolutions?
No, I don't normally make any New Year's resolutions.
Why not?
Because I'm happy with my diet and my exercise plan, so I don't feel that there's anything I need to change at the moment.
And I also think that if you want to make a change, you can make it during the year, can't you? So if you realise in August that you need to make a change in your life, you can start that change in August rather than waiting until January to make that change.
Yes, but like I say, I think that people have time to reflect and talk with friends and family over Christmas. And also it's like a fashion or a fad that in January people would always ask you, have you made any New Year's resolutions? And so people like to be prepared for that question.
Right, now we're going to be talking about some New Year's resolutions that are popular, and I want you to say whether you think that they're a good idea or not. So, the first one is going to bed earlier.
I think it's a good New Year's resolution for some people because a lot of people stay up late watching films and watching Netflix, and then the next morning when they get up to go to work, they're tired. And it becomes a routine for people. So it could be a good idea to change your routine to feel better in the mornings.
And what do you think about trying something new each month?
I think that's a really good one. I think I could try to do that. Not so much as a New Year's resolution to stick to, but I think it's a good idea to try a new sport or hobby, just to change your routines, really.
What are some things that you would like to try?
I would like to go on some day courses or afternoon courses for cooking or crafts or pottery.
I think that would be a good idea because then you can try out whether you like that activity for one day, and you don't have to buy all of the materials. So you go there, do the course, and then if you like it, you can go back home and buy the materials to continue that hobby.
Yes, that's true. Although the downside is that these courses can be quite expensive. And a friend of mine has gone on a few courses and has been disappointed with the results. But it's a good way to meet new people and to try new things.
The next New Year's resolution is limiting alcohol. What do you think about that?
I think it can be a good New Year's resolution for someone who's realised they've drunk a lot of alcohol over the holidays and they want to change this. There aren't normally a lot of parties and celebrations after Christmas and New Year's, so this is a good time to restart your lifestyle.
Okay. The next one is drinking more water.
Yes, I think this is a very good New Year's resolution. It's a good idea to keep hydrated, and if you start in January, then by the time the summer comes, you'll be really drinking a lot of water all the time, and it will be very good for you.
The next one is calling family members more.
I don't think that should be a New Year's resolution, but maybe after you've spent time with your family at Christmas and at New Year, you realise that you really should keep in touch more rather than just texting them. You could have an actual phone conversation with them or a video call.
The next one is reducing your screen time. So that is the amount of time that you spend looking at your phone, your laptop or your tablet.
I think we could all do this one as a New Year's resolution. It's good to realise how much you use your phone, and you might sleep better at night if you reduce the amount of time you spend on your screens.
Yeah, I think it's quite scary, the amount of time that we spend on social media. You can go on your phone and you can look at how much time you spend on each platform. So on Instagram you might spend 30 minutes a day, and that is a lot of time, isn't it?
It is a lot of time. If you think you could use Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, if you added it up, it would add up to a lot of hours in the day.
And the final New Year's resolution is organising or tidying something every month.
I think this would be a very good idea. You could write on each month of the calendar a different room or a different cupboard that you could do each month. And this would benefit you a lot. I think this is a very good one. I could do this.
I think that you could declutter everything you have in that room. And even if there are 5 rooms in the house, you could probably do them twice a year.
Possibly, but I think that doing one room in one day might be too much. So you could spread it so that you do bedroom through 1 month. So that it's not just one day a month. So you could plot it on your calendar that you do your wardrobe one day, other cupboards another day, and your makeup drawer another day. So it doesn't seem such a big chore to do in one day.
So at the beginning of the video, you said that you weren't going to make any New Year's resolution this year. Have these ideas inspired you?
Yes, they have, because normally when I think of New Year's resolutions, it's to give up something or to try harder at something. But I like the idea of trying something new every month, and also the idea of reducing the screen time, especially on my mobile phone.
Yeah, I think that they would be good ideas to follow, even though you don't consider it a New Year's resolution and you aren't strict with it. It's something good to take into consideration. So, in today's video, we have talked about New Year's resolutions. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.